The history department at Aber has a really good reputation. I looked up a lot of the lecturers before I came here and noticed they had a lot of published works. A lot of them are still working in the field.
Aber is really good for being able to tailor the course to your choices because we're a really varied department. We have medievalists, we have early modernists, we have modern historians, and there's always a full range of modules available.
You have the National Library nearby. That's a really useful facilities for getting primary sources or any extra secondary sources you might need.
Aberystwyth is just the perfect seaside town. It's got the highest number of books to people in the world, and as a book nerd that was incredibly inviting to me.
The university itself has a very familiar feel, which I love. A lot of bigger universities you don't get the personal touch. Here, I know my lecturers, they know me. I can go to them about anything.
Their doors are always open, so if you need any help with anything for the course, they're always there. I also find them to be really encouraging. They always see the best potential that students have to offer.
I think the V100 course, which is just history in general, it's amazing for someone who maybe hasn't studied much history before but has a general interest, because it can be what you want it to be. But really, it's just the art of learning new things about the past.
I came in and tried a bit of everything. I tried some medieval, some modern, so 18th century. And from there, I specialised further and further through to my third year.
I think Aber is a really unique experience for university. It's a bit of everything combined. It feels modern, but at the same time it doesn't feel too fast-paced. You can have the fun, exciting life, going to bars and seeing the new movies, or you can have the nice, relaxed life, going on hikes, walking around the countryside. There is something in Aber for everyone, and I think that makes it really unique.